This should be a review of what you previously have learned, but it's very possible that you have forgotten how to do this. So how do we do a problem like this? When you have the same base and you're dividing, you write the base down and you take the top exponent, subtract the bottom exponent. Okay, now I'm going to grab a calculator and I'm going to take 1 divided by 8, in parentheses, subtract a negative 5 divided by 24. I'm using a calculator to do that tough work, and then I'm turning it back into a fraction by hitting math, fraction, enter, enter. So I can rewrite this as 27 to the 1/3. Okay, now grab this paper. How do I evaluate this expression? I'm going to go to the third column. In the third column, I locate 27. I go off to the far left, and this is 3. That means this entire expression is equivalent to 3. Second example, our second example here for today, before we lead into the review video, is I'm supposed to reduce this radical expression. So I'm going to take this fourth root and I'm going to share it with the numerator and I'm going to share it with the denominator. And I know that although mathematically I've done nothing wrong, I can't leave a final example with a radical on the bottom. So I go into the fourth column and I try to locate 27, but 27 is not here. So then I find out what is 27 in between. It's in between, bless you, 16 and 81. Grab your calculator, please. We always work going down. So the next number would be 81. So I take 81 and divide it by 27. If I get a whole number, I've hit the jackpot. If not, I continue to work down until I find one that does divide, producing a whole number, 3. So what I'm doing right now is I'm finding a way to rewrite this, but keeping the same value so that the original does not change. So I have 4th root of 3 over 4th root of, what's 27 times 3? I know it's 81. Okay, next up, go back to your chart. Oh, sorry, I meant to put a 4 here. Go back to your chart and now find the fourth column, find 81. 81 is associated with 3. So this is 4th root of 3 over 3. There's nothing more we can do. Okay, here's your next one. Let's go 8 over 32. X to the 10 over x to the second, y to the 25 over y to the third. We have the same nth root. There's a hidden number here, and it's a hidden 2. It's a hidden 2. So I can put these together. 8 divided by 32. Okay, I can do that. Now, how do I handle when you have the same base? Well, when we are dividing, we subtract. 10 subtract 2 is 8. 25 subtract 3 is 22. On your calculator, if you're not confident doing this in your head, take 8 divided by 32 and hit math, fraction, enter, enter. Math, fraction, enter, enter. What do you end up with? You end up with 0.25, which is equivalent to 1 over 4. Okay, you ready? We need to apply this nth root to the 1 and to the 4. So let's grab our paper and go into the second column. What is the square root? Because that's what this means. What is the square root of 1? 1. What is the square root of 4? 2. So when this comes out, the square root of 1 is 1, and the square root of 4 is 2. How many groups of 2 can I take out of 8? 4 full groups. How many groups of 2 can I take out of 22? 11.